Hello everyone, my name is Keith George and this is my introductory video for AEP 859. A little bit about myself. I've been married to my wife, who's my high school sweetheart, for 8 years. We've got two beautiful little girls, Aspen, she's 4, and Indy, who is 2, and they are just full of life, full of energy, and already full of attitude. Man, today we took them to the Urban Air Trampoline Park in Wichita for the first time. And the kids had a blast. My wife and I had a blast, and I'm probably going to be a little sore tomorrow because I'm not used to jumping around like that. But it was a blast. A little bit about my work history. I'm in my 7th year of teaching. I currently teach 8th grade science at Rose Hill Middle School. I have experience teaching 8th grade algebra and pre-algebra as well as 7th grade science. Within my district, I serve on our district leadership team as well as my building leadership team, and I'm heavily involved in our KISA accreditation process. Um, Coaching wise, I'm currently coaching middle school golf, and that season's going on right now, and we have not gotten a break from the wind. And today we do not have practice, and that's probably a good thing because it is really blowing out there. Next year I'll be assisting the 7th grade football program. And I also have experience coaching middle school basketball. A little bit about my goals. Short term is to finish my master's in educational leadership. Long term, I don't know how quickly I'll pursue an administrative position, but I want it to be an option in the future if the right position pops up for me. So maybe a few years down the line, I'd like to see that. And if that doesn't happen, I want to see myself grow within my classroom, and implement new technologies and aid my school in any way that I can. Uh, what I hope to learn from this class, well, obviously I want to gain a better insight of how to develop curriculum and implement it. And just in the readings already, it's eye-opening. When you think about the school structure, the way it's been for years and years and years, and how there's not a whole lot of change in some areas. So I'm interested in learning ways to implement and adjust our curriculums to better meet the need of our students and our ever-changing society. So I look forward to spending the rest of the semester with you guys and learning with and from you. Have a good one.